I'm so excited for this video today because this is a skill that when you learn, it can change your life completely. The way I like to show you how to do things is that I'm going to give you the ideas and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. And so you can take these ideas and create any kind of design. So today we are going to be designing like a Christmas t-shirt, but you can take this idea to do like Thanksgiving t-shirt, any kind of t-shirt that you want. So overcomers, and something that you can do is that, right, as Christmas is coming, you can actually design a t-shirt for your own family. It is just so amazing when you create something that is so beautiful for yourself. And of course, you know what, you learn in the process. If you don't start, you will never know what is good and what is bad. So I want to encourage you to like this video, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and to all my overcomers, welcome on board. Let's go. So like I've always said, if you want to see designs that sell, just go to Amazon and search. If it's a best-selling design on Amazon, you can transfer it to any other platform and it's going to do very well. So for us to begin our design, let's just go to Canva. If you don't have Canva, you can use my link down below and you have a 30-day free trial, and then you can unsubscribe if you want to. So now that you're in Canva, just come here to customize, and then you come here. I always like to take 4,500 by 5,400 because this size can go to many different platforms. Like I've always said, you can create one design like this and use it on different platforms. And also with time, I'm going to be walking you through each platform how to upload your designs. And so you can now come here and then you create. So now, because I want to design a black t-shirt, you can now come here and come to this place and change the color to black. So now that we have a black design, I want you to come here to element and type something like sunset. These are very popular design. If you look at all this design here, you will see that you must have seen t-shirts that are having this design, like all this sunset stuff. These are very popular designs that you can use and customize it to fit your need. But make sure that you don't take a design from here and just put on a t-shirt. You have to customize it. You have to make it look a little bit different. You have to make it different from what is on Canva. You can't just take a Canva design like this and put on it your own t-shirt and start selling. No, that will not work. So now let's say we come here, we take something like this. I like to take the one that you can change the color. So let's come here, let's change this to red. Perfect. Let's take this and change to like something like green. Perfect. So I don't like this bottom here, so I'll double click on it so that it will give me this crop feature, and then I can crop it like this. Good. So you see what we've done. So that's what we have so far. The next thing I want to do is that I want to add something like a city. So I can just come here and put like city, skyline. These are very popular designs. So search for any city that you want. I think I'll take something like this. So at this point, what I'll do is that I'll crop this part. So at this point, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open it up like this. And then I can even put it like this. Yes. I am loving it. I love how it just fits here actually. This is good. I think I'll crop this bottom again. I'll crop this bottom again a little bit like this. That is beautiful. So the next thing I'll do is that I'll take this one. I'll just take this one and put it here like this. And then what I'll do is that I'm going to open it like this. So with these designs, you just have to design it however you want them to be, especially if you see the best-selling design and you want something similar. I'm designing it like this because I've already seen something that is a best-selling design that looks almost like this. Now what I'll do is that I'll put all these things together and then I'll group them just so that I can move it without other things moving around. Now that everything is grouped together, what I want to do is that I want to create a circle and put this inside. So I'm going to just come here and I'll come here to my element. I'll just type like circle. So let's take something like this and you'll see what I'm going to do. So since it was black, we have to come here and change it to white so we can see it, and then we can enlarge it like this. These are other designs that sell. So I'm just going to show you so many things in this video. You click on it and then you duplicate it. So I have two now. See, you can see the two. So you just make sure that the other one is on top. And then I'm going to double click on it, and then it will create this part to crop. So I'll click on it like this. So I'll hold this part, bring it down, crop it, look at the distance, then I stop. Then what I'll do is that I make sure that the other one under is on top. Then I'll do the same thing. So I'll also crop this other side like this. So I'll do the same thing. I'll take another circle. I'll take another smaller circle like this, make it into wide again, and then do the same thing. So just make sure your measuring is in the center, and then I'll duplicate it and do exactly the same thing that I just did. So now this is what we have. This is our circle. So what we have to do next is that I want to take this thing that we created before and put in the middle here. So I'll just come here and I'll copy this. Since we already group everything together, so you can just move it around like this without any problem. So I'll just copy that now and I'll put it here. So and then I'll move it to fit. Wow, look at that, overcomers. I don't like the fact that this line is under, so I'm going to go to position and I'll bring it in front. So that, yep, so that it's like that. So we see how our design is looking so far. The next thing I want us to do is to put some text on our design. If you don't know what to put, you can go to Pinterest, you can see some design, you can go to ChatGPT, you can put some design, you can put scriptures, you can put anything that you want. So on this design, I'm going to be putting something. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come here to text, and then I'll take this text like this, and then I'll bring it here, and then I'm going to type in Santa's favorite family. So I have Santa's favorite family. Now what I will do is that it's too big, so I'm going to reduce the size, and then the next thing I'm going to do is that I want it to be green, so I can change the color here and I'll take green. Then now I'm also going to change the font. If you know your font that you want to use, you just come here and you search for the font. If you have your own specific font, you use it. Font, this is the font I want to use. So I'm just going to click on the font. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll come here to effects, and then I'll come here to this curve, and then you see how it's curving, but then I'm going to adjust it here. You see how you can adjust it. I'm going to adjust it here to fit inside this circle. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and I'll take this and I'll put something like love. I'll put like love here, and then I'll bring it here. And then the other side, I can put any 4-letter word. I wanted to put love and joy, but I thought that since it's joy is just 3, I'm going to put something like glow. I'll put something like that, and then just make sure it fits, and then I'll put happiness down here. So I'll just take another one and I'll just put happiness here. So I'll just do the same thing, go now here and change the font, use the same font that we had already used, and make sure that I'm using the same font that we had already used. So we do the same for happiness. And for happiness, since it's going up, what we are going to do is that when we come to effect, we are going to, instead of it going this way, because if it goes this way, it's going to go the opposite direction, we have to bring it this way so that it makes as if it's going up. So you see what we are doing. So that's what we are going to do with happiness. So there we have it. Our design is already coming out so good, overcomers. The next thing I want us to do is that let's come here to element. You can type like any Christmas thing that you want or any theme for whatever you are designing. So we can come here now and put things like snowflakes. So we can just come and take things like this. So this one is black, so it's not visible. You just come here and change it to white. Look at that. So you can fix it like this. You can put another one on the other side. Just put it like this. Looking so good. Just make sure that you see this purple line. It shows you that it's aligning very well. So the next thing we can do, you can just come here. You can just, even if you don't have an idea what you want to do, you can put like Christmas, and then it will even give you an idea. So we can come here. Oh, I love this. So you can come and take things like this. You can even put it here, just reduce the size and make sure it fits. Oh, a good idea. I can put it to make as if it's coming down from the love. Then I'll double the same thing. I'll put the same thing on the other side. Wow, I love it. I love it. Now, the next thing that we can do, you can just go ahead and put any other thing. Maybe we can put something here. So we can come here to see or see anything that we think we can use. I don't know if we can put like some lights, especially up here. It looks good. It looks good. So we can put lights here, for example. You know, things like ugly sweaters, they sell very well anyway. So this looks good. I'm just showing you different ideas how you can make your design to really pop. So now we have this here. Another thing that we can do, I don't know if we want to put like a Christmas tree. You can also put like these other ones, put it here like this, or we can put like a Christmas tree. These are just ideas, different things. We have so many different options. So you can put it like here, you see that, but just make sure that whatever you are putting on this side is also matching on this other side. See, overcomers, there are just many different options. You can even take things like this and just hang them somewhere around here like this. Wow. If you do that, then you just make sure that maybe you flip it and put it on the other side too. You see what I did? And just put it on the other side here. So just take your time, just create your design, make it look good as much as you want it to be. So these are just ideas, overcomers, and I really want you to take your time, create that favorite amazing design. You know, you can create it for yourself, for your family, Santa's favorite family. This is a design that many people will want to buy. So I'm going to just group all of this together so that it's just in one design. And then you can make it big, you can make it small. You see, it's easy to move it now when you have it like this. So now we are done with our design. The next thing that I want us to do is just to download it as a transparent background. We just come here and then we go ahead and we download it. So if this is something that you are selling on Etsy, if this is something that you want to put on Etsy, I've already done a video showing you how to do that. So just make sure you follow this video and see how to create an Etsy account and learn how you are able to upload your product to Etsy through Printify. So if you go to printify.com, you can use my link down below, and then you can come and then you sign into your store. So if you come to catalog, I always like to go to the best selling products. You can come here and take kids products. So since you are doing it for like a family, you can come and take kids t-shirts, you can put on kids products. You can make sure that you are putting it on kids, putting it on babies, and then putting it on the family. You see, so you can take that same designer and put on different products. Use any of these kids products. You can come here now to like bestseller product, for example, and then you just come here. Let's say we take this one. I like to take the ones that are unisex. It can be good for men and for women. So we just click here. Now, what we'll do is that you come here to start design. So if you follow the other video that I've already done, you have a great idea if you are a beginner. So then now you start your design. You just come here, go to your device, and then let's just go and upload what we just created. So now you've uploaded. So you see that it says high, like it's showing that it's a high quality t-shirt because of the size. So at this point, since it's white, we wanted on a black background, I'll just come here and change it to black. This is beautiful. So for you to really see the beauty of your design, you can come here to preview. You can see the different sizes on different people. Look at how this looks. So this is really good. So let me know what you think. And then of course we added some other things because I'm just trying to show you exactly how to design it. So you might not need to put a Christmas tree. There are some things that you might not need to put. So you can look at it on a woman, person 3. This is how it looks. So yeah, so this is our design of our commerce. So then you can come here and just make sure that you fix your title and customize your description. And then when you are done with everything, you can go ahead and publish. At this point, your shop is already connected with Etsy, and then it's going to go on Etsy and you start selling. If you take a small niche, for example, you can say teacher celebrating Christmas. You know, you have taken 2 different things and put together. So you can watch this video that I already did and you will understand what I mean. So overcomers, I just wish you all the best on your journey. Love you all so much. I want to encourage you to like this video, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to become a part of the family, and see you in the next video. Love you all so much. Bye bye. It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon it all. It's been a while since we stumbled out, since you dragged me out from the dark.